Welcome back. In this video, I'll be showing you how to remove and install the taillight assembly in my 2013 F-150. This is going to be pretty straightforward, so let's jump right in. First, you want to open your tailgate so you can access the two bolts that secure the taillight in place. Chances are, your tailgate will fall a lot faster than mine is. If you want to slow your tailgate down, I'll leave a link to a video where I installed this assist. Looking on the inside, you will notice these two bolts right here. These are 8mm, and they are the only two bolts holding the taillight in place. However, you don't have to worry about the assembly falling down. I'll explain why in a little bit. Go ahead and remove both bolts and then we can move on. There's one. And there's two. Now you want to pull the assembly straight out. You may have trouble getting a grip at first, but you should be able to finagle it out. Just like that. I'll show you the tabs that hold the taillight in place when we reinstall the assembly. Now let's disconnect those bulbs. All three sockets turn the same way, which is counterclockwise. So grab your first socket and give it a turn just like this. You will feel it loosen up when you get to the right spot, and then you just need to slowly and carefully work that bulb and socket out of there, just like that. Try not to touch the bulb with your fingers, as any kind of grease will cause these bulbs to wear out prematurely. Go ahead and carefully place that to the side, and then we can get to work on the reverse light. Go ahead and turn it counterclockwise, and then it should almost come right out. Alright, now grab the last one and give it a turn. You will probably need to wiggle it like this to get it to completely break free. And again, you need to very carefully remove the socket, as you do not want to break the bulb inside of the housing. That wouldn't be fun trying to remove. Perfect. All three are removed, and now the taillight assembly is completely free. Let's get everything back together, shall we? Go ahead and grab the bottom bulb first and carefully insert the bulb into the bottom slot like this. Once it bottoms out, turn it clockwise to lock it into place. Perfect. Now grab your reverse bulb, and again, be careful when inserting it into the smaller slot right here. And just like the other bulb, once this bottoms out, you can give it a turn clockwise. Just like that. One more. You will probably have to tilt the taillight assembly up like this if the harness for the bulb is too tight. Go ahead and carefully insert the bulb, and then when it bottoms out, give it a turn clockwise. That's it. They are all back in place. Now before you just try to shove the assembly back in, let's take a look at how it locks in place. There is a tab right here and another right here. These will go right into this hole, and there's another hole at the bottom here out of the camera view. Now as I whip the camera around, all you need to do is give the taillight assembly a little push straight back. Just like that. That's locked in place, and all that's left is to screw in the two 8mm bolts to keep the taillight secured. Perfect. Raise your tailgate, and then you should probably check your lights to make sure they are operating correctly. Just hit your brake and put your truck in reverse. This will let you know if all three bulbs light up or not. That's all there is to it. If you found any part of this video helpful or entertaining, please give it a thumbs up. Also, if you haven't subscribed yet, hit that button as well as the notification bell so you don't miss a video from our channel. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you on the next one.